In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add an affiliate program to your Shopify website. Using this affiliate program, you can encourage your customers to promote your product in return for a commission. Let me show you how this affiliate program is going to work. First of all, using this program, you will be able to create an affiliate registration page like this. After somebody signs up to be an affiliate, they will be sent a confirmation email like this. After they confirm this email, you will be sent a notification that somebody wants to join your affiliate program. You can click on this and you will be able to approve whether they can sign up for your affiliate program or not. Once you approve an affiliate, they can go forward into the register link and log in inside of their affiliate dashboard. This is what the affiliate dashboard looks like. Here the user will be able to create an affiliate link for your website, and if they refer somebody using this link, they will make a small commission. You can set the percentage of commission that they will make per referral. And you can also customize many of the settings from inside of the Uppromote dashboard. Also, I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to be using an app known as Uppromote Affiliate in order to achieve the task of today's tutorial. So they do have pricing plans, and those pricing plans provide you with amazing features in order to grow this affiliate business of yours. But I want to let you know that in order to set them up, it's actually completely free. So you do not need to upgrade to any plan in order to follow along this tutorial. Alright, let's go ahead and check out how we can do this. But before we do that, make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications for more helpful content like this on Shopify in the future. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you need to do is to head over into this website right here. I'm going to be leaving a direct link for this website in the video description. So go ahead and check that out. Once that is done, just click on Start for free on Shopify. So now you need to install and activate this app. Let's go ahead and do that. Now your onboarding process will actually start. They will ask you whether you already have any affiliates working for your brand. Now, since I don't have any affiliates, I will select I don't have any affiliates. Click on Recruit Affiliates. I will put in the brand name and I will select the main industry. So now you have to set a subpath. So you can write whatever you want. Now, since the name of my brand is Hunky Dory 5, I'm just going to be keeping it like this. But you can basically edit this link. This is going to be the link wherein your users are going to come and register. So make sure that you edit and make a link that will be adhering to your brand. Alright, click on Save and Next. And here you can basically select whether you want to give a commission based on the percentage of the sale or on a flat rate. I'm just going to be selecting percentage. And for the amount, I'm going to be adjusting it to 10%. Now they will ask you what kind of promotion methods you wish to allow. I will allow both affiliate link and affiliate coupon. Let me save that. Now they will basically show you the registration page of your affiliate program. If you want to, you can make changes to this. You can add an image. You can change the background color if you want to. Or what you can do is you can increase the number of forms that will be added here. So basically, if you want somebody to put out their promotion channels and some additional info related to them, you can select any one of these. Now in my business, I want somebody who will promote their products, for example, on Instagram. So I'm going to be ticking on Instagram. And here you'll be able to see the Instagram handle has been added. So somebody who wants to promote this product needs to type in their Instagram handle as well. Same thing, I also want them to add their country and their phone number. So as you can see, country and phone number has also been added. Then what I will do is I will click on Save and Finish. Now they will ask us to upgrade into a premium plan. We don't need to do it. Just scroll up and click on Continue without subscribing. Now you will be taken into a dashboard like this. Just scroll down and you will be able to see the link for your affiliate register page. Just copy this, open an incognito tab and paste this in here. So now as you will be able to see, you have created an affiliate registration page for your brand. Now I'll show you what happens when somebody comes in and registers as an affiliate. For example, let's say I'm an affiliate. I will come in here and put some of my details and I will create a password. Then I'm going to fill out the CAPTCHA and click on Join. So now you will be able to see they have basically sent me a confirmation email. Let me open up my email inbox. And here you will be able to see the confirmation email. I'll click on confirm your email address. And now I can basically log in. And once you're done doing that, usually what will happen is, if you come back into your dashboard, you will see a bell notification here. After you click on it, you will be shown a message like this. It says a new affiliate, Phil Joseph, has joined your program. Now what you can do here is you can basically approve this person or you can deny them from being an affiliate. Now, if I approve them, what is going to happen is when I go back to the dashboard, you will be able to see the affiliate link is now available. Now basically I can just use this affiliate link in order to promote this website. And if somebody buys a product from this affiliate link, I will be making a small commission. Now let's say you already have some affiliates and you were promoting an affiliate program before and you want to manually add some affiliates into this program. So what you can do is you can click on add affiliate. You can put out the information of this affiliate here and this will basically send out an affiliate invite to them. Or what you can do is you can import a CSV file of your previous affiliates and you can put them inside of here. And what that will do is that it will import all of these affiliates into this program right here. One other thing that you can do is you can add a referral code for a specific affiliate. If somebody uses that referral code, you don't necessarily have to go through a link, and instead you can just put in that code, and the affiliate to which the code is mapped onto will make a commission, even if the product is actually sold without the customer using the link of that affiliate. Now that is basically how you create an affiliate program inside of Shopify. Now one disclaimer I'd like to give you before concluding this video is that this tool right here has many more features and many more things that we need to cover in depth. If you want me to create an in-depth video about Uppromote, then please tell me in the comment section and I will actually give you a deep dive on the different kinds of features that this app provides you. Before concluding, I'd also like to let you know that I put out helpful content like this on a daily basis. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.